What's up everybody, welcome to Calligraphysutra. I am Arif Khan and today I'm gonna show you my brush lettering process. What I mean by that is I'm gonna share with you my step-by-step process that I use when I have to create a brush lettering artwork. So let's get started. Alright, welcome back. The very first step that I use is to write the quotation in my normal handwriting, and then I use to underline all the words so that I can get an idea about the length of each letter. The next step that I used to do is to create guidelines and to create a rough sketch. I'm gonna speed up this process for you so that you don't get bored. Now, the most important step, to finalize it. So what I do, I use my brush pen to finalize it. I'm gonna write the whole quotation using brush pen. For this artwork, I'm gonna use a color combination of purple and orange. Okay, the last and final step, adding some detail. For this artwork, I'm gonna add some splatters here and there. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.